Hi, I'm hw7q8. Now let's do the eighth question of homework 7. We are given a Poisson process, and we need to find a mean of xt and the autocorrelation with t1, t2. Now let's do the first part. We know that the Poisson process for x equal to k will be the a to the power of negative lambda, then times lambda to k's power and divided by k. So that we have the sigma from k to 0 to infinite. It will be 1. So that sigma from k to infinite, and lambda to k divided by k will be a to the power of lambda so that on the two sides of the both sides of the equation, we can have the sigma left part, the lambda will be the right part, the lambda. That is k from 0 to infinite, then k times lambda k to the power of k minus 1 equals to e lambda, still e lambda. So that as sigma from 0 of k to 0 to infinite, k times lambda to the power of k divided by k to lambda times a lambda. That's from 0 to infinite, k times e to the power of negative lambda and lambda to the power of k divided by this will be will be lambda. So that the left part will be a mean of x. So it's lambda. Therefore, we have mean of xt will be lambda t. Now we are going to calculate the autocorrelation T1, T2. We are given that NT1, T2, and NT3, T4 are independent. So that for T2, which is larger than or equal to T1, x T1 be x T1 minus x 0, and we have x T2 minus x T1. They are independent. So the autocorrelation T1, T2 will be the mean of x T1 times x T2, which is the mean of x T1 times x T2 minus x T1, then plus x T1 again. That's the mean of x T1 times the mean of x T2 minus x T1, then plus x the mean of x T1 squared. We have calculated that mean of x T1 will be lambda T1, and here will be lambda T2 minus lambda T1, then times and plus a square will be 1 plus lambda T1 lambda T2 T1. That's lambda T1 plus lambda T1 T2. This is the first condition. The second condition is T1 is larger than or equal to T2. Similarly, it will be just replace T1 with T2 and swap them T2, T1. We can see the difference of the two expressions will are T1 and T2. So we can in general the autocorrelation T1 T2 will be lambda mean of T1 T2 plus lambda T1 times T2. That's it.